We are hopeful that most of them will be able to make arrangements, but those who are not able to make arrangements, we do have options where there are some of the Corona care centers, but in those centers we'll be able to provide the place, but food and etc. the families are urged to take care of that. And also at the same time there are paid quarantine centers also in case they would like to go there. And at the same time we are also looking at localities where the numbers could be larger than others, and we are going to coordinate, the DC is going to coordinate with those corona management teams in those areas along with the headmen and Rangmashnongs and all to ensure that if they could create the space and like they did last time, and again as I said, seek the support of the family members to at least give the food. So since we have gone through this exercise in a very aggressive manner and very, very surprising manner, and last time, everything came so suddenly, we feel that even the management teams at the village and the locality are in a better position to handle this. So these are the three things which we're looking at. So we're looking at the paid quarantine, we're looking at the government quarantine, but as I said, this time space can be given. And then we are looking at also the community level where we'll be able to give it at the community level also, and we'll give whatever support we can from our side to those communities. So there is no foolproof solution and no black and white answer to this, but yes, we all need to work together to be able to get through the situation. We are hopeful, as I said, that these numbers will not go up more. We're seeing large numbers of returnees. We even touched like 800, 900 in the last few days. So hopefully yes, that these numbers will not go too high, but in case they do, then yes, this is the strategy that we have in mind.